Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making a green smoothie. Now this is something so very simple, y'all. It only takes a few minutes, literally. So in this bag I have my green spinach. You can use baby spinach, it don't really matter. But as long as it's fresh spinach, I have one banana as well as lemon juice. You can use a regular lemon. I have almond milk and my apricots. Now this is actually for a January fast as well. All these materials or ingredients are pretty much January fast approved. So yeah, let's get started. Now in the blender, we're pretty much going to add our ice. Now if the bananas or something was frozen, I'll pretty much want need ice, but I like my smoothies a little frozen. So yeah, I have to split big block of ice. If you have crushed ice, they'll be better, but I didn't have that. Now I'm gonna pretty much put my bananas in there. Yeah, I have a little small smoothie, so I had to push this stuff down for everything to fit. But if you have a bigger blender, that would be great. Now I'm going to be adding in my spinach. That's pretty much about a handful. All right, so after we add that in there, we're pretty much gonna put our apricots, and that's about five, I think, or six of them. And make sure you push that down, and make sure it don't have that much sugar. I don't think it has sugar at all. Make sure there's no added sugar, should I say? It can have sugar, like certain things have sugar, but make sure it's not added sugar. Now I'm gonna squeeze my lemon juice. You can pretty much squeeze about 2 cupfuls because we're going to use the almond milk, so you don't need that much. And now I'm going to be adding my almond milk, and you pretty much just want to blend. You pretty much just want to fill that to the top and then blend it up. Okay, so now that it has been blended, we're pretty much ready to pour inside our cup. Yeah, so yeah, that was my first time actually trying it. When I made this, it's something I pretty much came up with the ingredients I had, and it's actually tasted pretty good. You feel me? Without no added sugars or anything, it tasted pretty good. Yeah, yeah, and I had to make sure. I think I overdid it, but yeah, when I tried to slide it over to drink it, I was thinking it was gonna spill, but thank God it didn't spill. And like I said, when I tasted it, it was pretty good, y'all. And this is Daniel Fast approved. Yes, with this channel, you're gonna get savory foods, sweets, healthy foods, all the above. It's not limited to just any type of food. You feel me? Just as long as it's food and beverages, it could be any type of way. And like I said, this is Daniel Fast approved. All the ingredients, it was good. It wasn't bad at all. You feel me? And the apricots just give it the good sweetness it needs, the right amount of sweetness, as well as the banana, because bananas have natural sugars. So yeah, I'm tasting it, and yeah, it's pretty good. So that's all I had to say today. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.